Let's talk about something that might sound dry, but it's absolutely crucial to your success. The Florida Business Corporations Act. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me tell you why this matters. Whether you're starting your first LLC, expanding your established corporation, or just curious about how Florida's laws shape the way you do business, understanding the nuts and bolts of this act can give you a serious edge. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break this down together in plain English. You're going to leave this conversation not only informed, but confident about how this law affects your business. Imagine you're building a house. You need a solid foundation, right? That's exactly what the Florida Business Corporation Act provides for your business, a legal foundation. It sets the rules of how corporations are formed, governed, and even dissolved in this state. Think of it as your business's playbook, outlining your rights, responsibilities, and protections. Pretty important stuff, wouldn't you say? Let's start at the beginning. Forming your corporation. The Act lays out what's required, like filing articles of incorporation with the state. It's not just about paperwork. It's also about ensuring your business is recognized as a separate legal entity. This is what gives you liability protection. If your business runs into trouble, your personal assets, like your home and savings, are typically off limits to creditors. That's huge. The Act also explains how your corporation structure should look. You've got shareholders, directors, and officers. Each has specific roles, and understanding these roles is critical. For example, directors oversee big picture decisions while officers handle the day-to-day operations. Once your business is up and running, the Act governs how it should operate. This includes everything from holding annual meetings to keeping accurate records. If you're not following these rules, you're opening yourself up to legal headaches. And trust me, you don't want that. Let's talk bylaws. These are like the rule book of your company. The Act gives you the freedom to draft bylaws that work for your business, but it's essential to make sure they align with state law. For instance, you can set rules about how directors are elected or how conflicts of interest are handled. This is where things get really interesting. Shareholders are the lifeblood of your corporation. The Act protects their rights, like voting on major decisions or receiving dividends. It also provides a framework for resolving disputes. If you've ever had a disagreement with a business partner, you know how valuable clear rules can be. But it's not just about protecting shareholders. The Act also ensures you, as a business owner, are shielded from frivolous lawsuits. It's a two-way street designed to balance the interest of everyone involved. Thinking about growing your business through merger or acquisition? The Act has you covered. It lays out the steps you need to follow, like obtaining shareholder approval and filing the necessary documents. And if things don't work out, you need to dissolve your corporation. The Act provides a roadmap for that too. It's not the happiest topic, but it's better to know your options up front. Here's the thing, while the Act is comprehensive, it's not exactly light reading, and trying to interpret it on your own can feel like navigating a maze. That's where having a trusted legal advisor, someone who knows Florida business law inside and out, comes in real handy. They can help you not only stay compliant, but also leverage the law to your advantage. You might be wondering, all right, so how does this affect my daily operations? Good question. The Act influences everything from how you sign contracts to how you handle disputes with partners or employees. It's the framework within which your business lives and breathes. So whether you're hiring staff, signing a lease, or raising capital, the Act's provisions are quietly working in the background. Understanding the Florida Business Corporation Act isn't just about staying on the right side of the law. It's about empowering your business as a business owner. When you know the rules, you can play the game more effectively. And in today's competitive business world, that's the kind of edge you need. So whether you're just starting out or running a thriving corporation, take the time to familiar yourself with this Act. And if you do need help, don't hesitate to reach out to a business law expert. After all, your business is built on a solid foundation, and this Act is a cornerstone. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions about this or other legal topics, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay informed and stay protected.